The second YAI Northeast Regetta 2024 concluded at Umiam Lake on Saturday, organized by the Umiam Sailing Club in association with the Yachting Association of India from 2nd to 6th of April. The six-day regatta had around 107 participants from 17 different clubs from different states of India under different categories. DIG LR Bishnoi graced the event as the chief guest. Speaking at the event, he inspired the young sailors, emphasizing on bone health, the work, and positive thinking. Cash prizes were rewarded to the winners, as many as 15 local people volunteered to join the sailing coaching camp under Umiam Sailing Club.
And because of that commendable job, the regatta is successful. As I always say, an event is successful if it is safe. And I'm very, very happy that all of you did follow all the instructions regarding the safety. So we have finished all the races with safety. We have concluded the regatta with safety. Hence it is successful.
And now the weather report.